So you look pretty. One blood.
I don't look.
Of course you look pretty. I know me alone say it. All the subscribers them say it.
Oh yeah? Thank you. Thank you to who?
They say I hit the jackpot.
Oh yeah?
They say I hit the jackpot in Kenya family, in Africa, to find a beautiful wife like this.
And give you a beautiful son. Handsome son.
Yeah, family, so maybe I will have to teach you guys how to get beautiful wife like this in Kenya.
And Hamesh is normally confused for.
Eh?
Hamesh is normally confused by people. Rather, people get confused by Hamesh. Should I say that?
In what way?
They normally say Hamesh looks like baby girl.
Yeah, but you look like a baby girl now. But I asked the universe to give me everything so I can be around to grow him up in the man he's gonna be.
He doesn't look like a girl, he looks like a boy. But most people, like, when like we've gone to the hospital, and you know I love white, so mostly he'll be in white.
Yeah.
And white is a unisex color. So you'll hear somebody saying, "This is a girl. No, he doesn't look like a boy."
But you know the problem we have in the world right now, sweetie, is like all of these foods and all of these genetically modified food, all of these hormonal food. If you have a boy that looks like a girl, which is so handsome, then you have to take special care and you have to understand a lot of things because
the world we are living in.
Because the world you're living in right now, if you raise your boy child to look too much like a girl, you know what I mean, society might even want to actually, you know what I mean, he might grow up in a way that you feel like you want to be a girl.
Because he's been told
so he's so
handsome.
You know what I mean? So and you have to be very careful on growing your child because there's a lot of predator and pedophile and stuff. And you know, gone are the days when pedophile used to just prey on girls. You know, they start to prey on boys.
God forbid.
So, you know what I mean, you have to learn how to grow your boy child rough and tough in the situation. He has to grow like how we used to grow back in the countryside and in the village. Because of technology right now, you know what I mean, everything, these kids are on tablets and them all into, you know what I mean, watching all of these TV shows. And if you go on Netflix right now, every TV shows have some form of have those scenes in it, family. You know what I mean? So you have to be very careful right now growing your child, and you have to be mindful of a lot of things. And that's just what, you know what I mean, you know, when we talk about like parenting and both parents in the kids' life and stuff, you know what I mean, you know, we have to be mindful when you start a family. You have to make sure that you're gonna be there for the kids. Because if you're not gonna be there for them, then the media and the TV shows and all of these things gonna actually you know what I mean, you know, all of these things they're gonna indoctrinate your child. You know what I mean, to think otherwise. So, you know, these are the things, family, you have to be very careful. You know, I am very mindful of, you know what I mean, the way I want my child to be and, you know, the morals I want him to have and all of these things. So I will be trying my best to grow him the right way, family. Yeah, guys, so I'm here. It's a Friday. It's the money day. It's payday. It's actually end of the month, not true?
Yeah, it's end month actually. That's what I'm doing.
What you doing?
I'm paying.
Madam Boss.
Madam Boss.
Madam Boss lady. Yeah, family, so it's the end of the month payday. It's a Friday. And we're actually just going to get some water, family. As you know, we have to get water. Because most of the water from the tap, unless you have a good borehole, it's not advisable to drink the water from the tap, family. So we have to get water we have to get like mineral spring water, you know what I mean, straight from nature, straight from God, family. Yeah. So sweetie, have anything you want to talk about?
Not really.
It's Freestyle Friday.
Nah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Nothing on your mind?
Nothing on my mind.
Sure.
You know
Mine
what?
is empty.
You know what? It's not empty.
Brain is empty.
Oh my god, it cannot be empty.
So why you do have
My
nothing to
mind
say?
is always on baby Hamesh and baby.
Okay.
Because you know, I'm not feeling so good, but I can afford the smile.
Okay. Yeah, family. So if you're watching this and you're looking to come to the continent to find a wife and stuff, you know what I mean? Some of the things that you have to know, we actually talk about most of the things I'm on this channel already for you. So I want you to comment in the box, family, and let us know what you'd like us to talk about. You know what I mean? So you can actually learn and actually understand the culture before you come, because you know when I first came, you know what I mean, West Africa was kind of normal. When I come to East Africa, that's when I see a lot of difference, a lot of changes and stuff. And and it's actually been said that to find a wife, you might find a better wife in East Africa. It all depends on you. So you know what I mean, you have to just come, and be yourself, and come with a lot of resources, and come with stuff that that will last for you when you actually start your family and stuff. So we just want to show you Kenya, and show you what it has to offer. And as you know, most people who come from the West, they really like Kenya. They really rave about the city and stuff. If you're coming from the West, most place where you're coming from is developed. And so Kenya, the city is pretty developed. So everybody would really want to actually, stay.
Maybe easy to find things, like,
and easy to get things, and easy to move. Just like how you're in the West, it's easy to get stuff. Once you have that Western world mentality, I think Kenya will be the place for your family. What?
Oh, M-Pesa is really expensive.
It's getting high now. Yeah.
Transaction cost, guy. I
How
left
much
it at. Send money. I'll call you.
How much was it?
To send.
Yeah.
I left it at 88 or 66 shillings, somewhere there.
How much is it now?
100.
Guy?
You know, I'm saying 100. I'm like, what is this? 100 transaction cost? 100 shillings.
Alright, family. I'm gonna end this video here. Peace, love, and sunlight. Like, share, and support the video. Let's go. I'm out. One love. Jamaica.